In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to build a landing page in Clickfunnels. Let's get started. Hello YouTube, my name is Alston and welcome to my channel where I help you find success online. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to learn different tips and tricks to how to find success and make money online. Alright, so in this video, as I mentioned, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a Clickfunnels landing page. Now, if you've watched any of my other videos, you know that I'm a huge fan of email marketing. There's just so many benefits to using email marketing, taking advantage of email marketing, and my preferred email marketing system is Clickfunnels. Now, Clickfunnels can do a ton of different things, but I primarily use it for landing pages and autoresponders. You can use Clickfunnels for, you can actually make a website within Clickfunnels, you can create membership sites, you can sell products and services. There's just a number of opportunities, but I primarily use it for the landing page for my affiliate marketing business. And so what we're going to do today, I'm going to show you really quickly, it'll probably take less than 10 minutes to create a landing page that will get clicks and will help you make money. Now, a landing page is really the first step within email marketing. So basically what you do is you create content, you generate interest, and then you have a call to action. And this works for video content, written content, so blog posts, or even podcasts. So you create this initial piece of content, and then you have a call to action. Click the link in the description to learn a little bit more about whatever. They click the link, it goes to a landing page. The landing page needs to be simple yet engaging, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Do you want to learn how to start and grow a successful online business? If the answer is yes, click the first link in the description to learn my #1 recommended course for starting a successful online business today. Just for signing up at the link below, you will receive the bonuses you see on your screen. As you can see right here, I am in my Clickfunnels account. I am going to put a link in the description to a 2-week free trial. Also, I'll put a link in the description to the landing page that I build here for you today so that you can take a look at it. If you don't already have Clickfunnels, make sure that you click the link to the 2-week free trial, and you can also take a look at the landing page that I've created. So as I mentioned, I'm here at the I'm at the funnel step here. So I got here by hovering over Clickfunnels and clicking funnels. Once you do that, this page will reload if my internet cooperates, and then simply you just click add funnel. And what I like to do is I like to go to the classic funnel builder and I just create a new funnel. And then here we have 3 different options. And since I'm building this for my affiliate marketing business, now you could be doing this for really any of the 3: collecting emails, selling your product, or hosting a webinar. But I'm doing it for my affiliate marketing business, so I'm just going to create choose. And then we're going to give it a name. We'll say, we'll just say Clickfunnels landing page. And I like to keep everything exactly the same, and you'll see why in a second, but I like to keep the name, the group tag, all of that the exact same because it makes your life a little bit easier. So I'm just going to click on build funnel, and it's going to send me to a bunch of different templates. Now, I'm just going to grab a template and then I'm going to delete everything. And then I'm going to show you step by step how you can make any changes or additions. Now, the cool thing with Clickfunnels, as I mentioned, they have a ton of different templates that you can borrow. You can sort it by sales, webinar, membership, affiliate, ClickPop, whatever. Like I said, I'm just going to grab this basic template here, select template. Now that we have selected a template, we're just going to go in and we're going to make some changes. All right, so here we are at the Clickfunnels landing page. Now, a landing page for Clickfunnels actually consists of 4 parts: a section, a row, a column, and an element. Now, there can only be one section at a time, but within each section, you can put in multiple rows, multiple columns, and elements. And so if you want to take a look at it in a slightly different way, this green button here controls everything in this top section here. So if we deleted this green button, it would take away everything. This blue box here is the actual row. So you can have multiple rows within a section that have various amounts of information. Within a row, you can do columns. So look, this has 2 columns here, and you can even actually adjust the width of your columns, which is pretty cool. And then within each column or within each row, you can add additional elements. And to add an additional element, it's the orange here. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna scroll all the way down and we're just gonna delete every section except for the first one. And so to do that, you just click on the trash can, click OK, and we're just gonna go up and, whoops, take me a couple minutes here. All right, so we are left with just one section. What I recommend and what I prefer when I create a landing page is to keep things very simple and very basic. The reason being is the more information that's on the screen, the more the customer can get distracted with. The more information, the more hesitant that they may become. So if I just click this blue box here, it should delete the row. And then I should just be left with a empty or blank section. To add more rows, I just click this button here, add new row, and then I can decide between one column and up to 6, I believe. So I'm just gonna choose one column. And at the top column, you can put your logo, you can put a call to action, you can do all sorts of things. What I'm going to do with my top column is to create an element that is a progress bar, and the progress bar can help generate a sense of urgency. It can get your customers through the process because they see that they're almost done. And the way that Clickfunnels is set up is once you have an element and row and column, you can just go in and click this settings widget and it'll give you additional options. So right now my color is this type of blue. You can go in and easily change it to black or red or whatever you want, but my color is blue and I like to keep everything the same, and so I change it to blue. Also, I'm going to change this to 33% complete. And then to change that, I'm just going to go over to, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to animated stripes, and then I'm going to change this to 33%. Then as you can see, that is done. Now you want to group things that are similar in each individual section. Now when you start adding, in my opinion, you want to have separate sections for something like an address bar and maybe your logo. And then when you add in some content, your heading, that should be a different section. And then when you have your call to action in a button or an image or whatever, that should be a separate section. So what you do to add a new section is you just come here to, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new row to this section, and it's just going to be this one row, and it's going to be my heading. So I'm just going to say, you need to burn fat, and we can help. All right, so this is probably not the most not the best heading that you've ever seen, but we're just going to go with this for the purposes of this example. And so one of the things that you can do with Clickfunnels, and it's really cool, really easy, is right now we have everything bolded. I'm just going to unbold this, and you're going to see why in a second. I want to bold a few different things. I want to bold this need, fat, because when you bold things, obviously you want to draw attention to them, and help. So need, fat, help, I'm bolding. Now if I go here to the settings widget, I want to change the text color to, let's change it to red. And that's the typical text color. And then when I change the bolded color, should we change it to blue? You might want to flip those. Well, for this, we'll just change it to black. Now if I want to make this heading bigger, it's very easy. We just go up to font size and we can make it the full width. And then if we want to change the margin, we can drop that right here with these sliders. It's all very easy, all very user friendly, and you can see where this is going. So now that we have this section complete, I want to add a separate section for new a different type of content that is on this page. So again, I'm going to go up here to full width, and when I've created, it's going to ask me how many rows I want. For this one, I'm actually going to create 2 rows. You can create a bunch of different rows if you want, up to 6, or excuse me, columns up to 6, but I'm just going to do 2 columns. On the left hand side, I'm going to have an image. So I'm just going to go to image here, and I'm going to click demo image, click this widget or settings, and then click image, and then I'm going to add this person here. So I'm going to click add image, and then if you want, you can actually adjust the height. So right now I'm just going to say 20. Add a 0, and that's what it looks like when you change the image. I'm just going to delete that, and it's going to go back to the default. What you can do also is you can actually change the width. So if I wanted her smaller, and I wanted this other column that's going to have my button. It's going to have a little bit more information, maybe a couple bullet points of why you should enter in your email address. You can do that. So I'm going to click add element. Here I'm going to add a header again, and I'm just going to say, we'll say, don't miss this opportunity to lose the fat you always wanted to lose. All right, so again, this is probably not the most creative copy here, but I want to show you what this looks like. So again, if I wanted to, I'm going to change the bold color to red this time, and then I'm going to unbold all of this. I want to bold fat. I'll say opportunity, we're going to bold. We're going to do that here. And then if I want to add something else underneath it, I just click the plus sign and it's going to add an element. And here I am going to enter in an input. And for this example, I'm going to have two inputs. I'm going to have a name section, and I'm going to have a place where they can enter in their email address. And again, you just go up to this widget here, click the widget, I call it, and we're going to change this to first name. And we're going to say, enter your name. Enter name here. And then we're just going to adjust the font size so that they can see it. And we're going to make it required. Then below that, we are going to add another element. And this is actually going to be a button, or I'm sorry, we're going to add another input field. And this is going to be where we enter in our email address. So this is size 34. Click plus here. Oops, that's not what I want to do. We'll say email address required, and I want to make this the same size. All right, and then beneath that, we're just going to enter in, or we're going to put a button. And if we click the settings again, we'll say burn fat. I'm just going to change this to red. Get out of that. Change size here. And then we're going to set the action. We can set the action to go to directly to an affiliate offer or an affiliate link if we want. We would just, right now it's set to default to go to a website URL. That's where we would enter in our affiliate offer. If we have a ClickBank offer or Amazon Associates, whatever, we would enter in our affiliate link there. You can select it to go to your thank you page. The thank you page is where you congratulate them on taking the next step, making a wise decision. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to have them go to the thank you page. And so again, this is a very basic example of what a landing page looks like, but it shows you how easily and how quickly you can actually create something like this. And what you can do is you can just go in and manipulate it to how you see fit. If you wanted to change the theme, you can do that. If you wanted to get more creative and make it full width, you can do that as well. Let's see what happens. This is what it looks like when it's full width. Click the settings button. We'll go back to advanced, style, line flat. Let's see, any other things that we want. I don't know, spend some time, you can spend some time playing around. Let's show it bouncing. Let us see, now if we save this, and then we click preview, this is what our landing page would look like once you get someone, you create content and you send people to your offer. This is exactly what it would look like. Now, obviously, you could spend some more time making it look better, look at making it look pretty, but I just like to show you how quickly and how easy it is for you to create something like this. And this is one of the reasons why I chose Clickfunnels over the other things. So the other autoresponders and landing pages can be a little cumbersome, it can be a little frustrating, and so I went with something after testing 3 or 4 of them that I just felt comfortable with, which you don't spend a lot of time trying to configure it to your needs. It actually does it for you. If you want to learn the best way to start an online business, click the first link in the description. In addition to learning a little bit more about the best way to start an online business, you'll also get 3 of my favorite bonuses to help grow your business to the next level. These 3 bonuses include social media marketing, top traffic sources, and much more. So make sure you click the first link in the description to learn a little bit more about affiliate marketing and the best way to start an online business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.